Happy New Year! Welcome 2026. So ngayon, para sa unang video nating taon na to ay isang nakakatakot na video ang ating panonoorin. So let's go. Simulan na natin to. Ooh.
What do you normally do when watching horror videos? Do you cover your ears, break out in a
Creepy ng
cold
mata.
sweat, or perhaps do the most common thing of all,
Ooh.
cover your eyes and look away?
Ito
Well,
pala ay kay Dark Secret. So ito yung 5 terrifying videos that you won't be able to watch until the end. So grabe. Ang creepy. So nakakatakot ako kasi hindi daw natin matatapos eh. Tignan natin kung matatapos natin.
This video will bring you the most frightening clips that I assure you it will be hard to see in its entirety. Are you ready? Well,
We're ready.
I challenge you to watch till the end.
Ayan.
My name is Leonor
Si
Clay,
Leonor Clay.
and this is The Darkest
Darkest Secret.
Today we present 5 terrifying videos that you won't be able to watch until the
Ooh.
end. Number 5.
So ito na.
It is not the first time that you have heard me say that the paranormal can happen to anyone and at any time. While the recording by the Montenegro family
Montenegro.
will make you shudder with the mere possibility that something like this could happen to you too. In the subscriber's email, he says that one day when he arrived at his workplace, he noticed that some coworkers had had a small birthday celebration, a situation that bothered him since they did not clean up afterwards. It upset him so much that he sent a video to the WhatsApp group expressing his discomfort concerning the situation. However, all this became pointless when they asked him who he was with. Surprised, he asked them who they were referring to, since there was no one else
May
there.
kumain nung leftover.
What was he referring to? See for yourself.
¿Ustedes qué piensan? ¿Que yo me voy a tener que poner a fregar toda esta porquería de cosas que dejaron aquí? Toda la cocina me la dejaron sucia. Mira todo eso. Hombre, yo no voy a poner más en nada de esto, así que agarren.
Oh, ano yun? Parang may sumilip. Ayun oh. Uy. Ano yung tsura nun?
Did you see anything?
Oo, doon
You
sa may
can
rep.
barely see it for a fraction of a
Ayun
second.
oh.
But it was long enough to put our subscriber on alert, as a shadow can clearly be seen peeking through the door. Nothing paranormal had ever happened here, neither at his workplace, nor to any colleagues, or to him. This thing, whatever it is, manifested itself out of
Ano kaya
nowhere,
yun?
just
Parang hayop na malaki.
as it could be happening
Pero
to
ano,
you
anino lang eh, no?
right now, behind your back.
Oh,
Number 4.
ito naman.
Diego Gonzalez is the subscriber who sent me a disturbing occurrence that affected one of his nephews, and that to this day has his whole family very worried. From Arequipa, Peru, he tells me that while at a family reunion, his nephews got together in a bedroom to listen and sing to their favorite music. They were recording for the purpose of uploading it to social networks, but the boy was too shy to sing. His singing skills are not what catches our attention, but something that happened and was caught completely by accident. Pay attention.
Ano yun? Nagulat yung lalaki. Oh, ulitin nga natin. Parang may humigit sa ano niya. Uy! Ang creepy nun. May umatak doon sa ano niya. Doon sa likod niya. Oh, someone pulled my shirt.
Theo affirms that the little boy had told him before that, without knowing why, he felt uncomfortable during the entire get-together. He felt negative vibes, so he told his parents that he wanted to leave. That is until his cousins invited him to listen to music. In fact, for a second you can notice how the boy looks at his cousin as if she had been the one who pulled on his shirt. However, as you can see, the video completely rules out that possibility. This video never reached social networks.
Lakas ng pagkakabatak sa likod niya, no?
Went directly from their cell phone into my possession. I am assured that this is not staged,
Oh.
and due to the context, it appears to be real.
Malamang tatlo lang sila dyan, tapos yung kamay nung nasa gitna, nakaganon. Sino yung hihigit nung damit niya? Tsaka parang ang lakas eh.
Number 3.
Parang ang solemn na mga video ni Darkest Secrets, no? Parang ang lambing nung niya. Parang ang lambing nung boses niya.
As you know, we have already mentioned shocking recordings captured on roads and highways, clips that are mostly recorded at dawn and on desolate roads. However, there are also situations
ambulance.
captured in broad
Ano meron
daylight
sa
and in the
ambulance?
middle of heavy traffic, such
Magalaw
as
yung
what you will
camera.
see below, and that left their witnesses completely shocked. What did they capture? See for yourself.
Ay, parang may no? O parang may nakasilip.
No mames, ¿qué tal si es una persona muerta, güey?
O parang may nakasilip. Bata. Kaya creepy, makamukha yung nakasilip, oh.
Miradota, güey.
Ayun, oh. Ayun talaga, no? Ayun, oh. Blondie yung buhok, tapos puti yung mukha. Kung ikaw makakita niyan, matatakot ka, di ba? Tapos nagdadrive ka pa. Kasunod mo yung ambulansya, oh. Ang creepy, na-imagine ko.
Although they cannot be sure, for them the face that can be seen through the rear window of the ambulance is not human, because the features are too distorted for a normal face. They take it as an indication to speculate that they were recording something completely paranormal, a spirit or the soul of someone who perhaps lost their lives inside the vehicle. Certainly the possibilities are many.
Tapos sa ambulansya pa no? Kasi pag alam mo kasing ambulansya, alam mo na dyan maraming tinatransport na na patay o yung mga agaw buhay. Kaya talagang pag nakakita ka ng ambulansya, talagang feeling mo talaga may something eh.
Do you think, could there be an explanation other than the paranormal for this footage? Leave it in the comments. Number 2.
Yan na, number 2 na.
Theoretically, it has been shown that time travel may well be possible.
Time travel.
But officially, from the scientific and military world, there are no announcements or advances in that direction. We have only seen it in Hollywood movies that from time to time like to address this issue. However, recently, a strange video came to light
maganda yan.
that leaves open the possibility that this type of travel would be much more real than we ever
Time travel,
imagined.
no? Totoo kaya yung time travel.
Pay close attention.
Uy, ano yun? Paano nangyari yun? Ano nangyari yun? Check nga natin. Ba't bigla nagkaroon ng lalaki dun? Oh. Saan galing yung lalaki tapos nabangga pa siya? Oh. Hindi naman galing sa taas. Grabe naman time travel yan. Diyan ka pa bumagsak. Nasagasaan ka pa. Buti hindi ka nagulungan. Oh, nasaktan siya eh. Tapos tumakbo lang siya oh.
This is what happened on a rainy afternoon in the streets of Hong Kong.
Sa Hong Kong.
Until now, nobody knows where that young man who falls to the ground come from. It was thought that he had fallen from the car. It was also said that he had fallen from the elevated highway.
Posible
But
din eh. Galing sa sasakyan eh. Sarado naman yung sasakyan oh.
none of this has been confirmed, giving rise to innumerable theories, within which the most pronounced and accepted by all is related to a time traveler who for some reason ended up in that place.
Time
Could this
travel.
recording be the empirical demonstration of this type of travel? Tell me, what do you think? Number 1.
Okay, number 1 na tayo.
It is said that the paranormal, the illogical, and the incomprehensible not only can appear in front of you at the least expected moment, but it can also manifest itself within you when you least expect it. Because without exception, all of us are exposed to experiencing a situation like this at least once in our lives. Something like what happened to the man you are seeing on the screen, and who, while at work, was a victim of this. Pay attention.
Yan, sa kitchen. Ano kaya niluluto niya? Sa mga kitchen, no, ang daming paranormal. Ang dami ko napanood ng mga video na mga paranormal na nangyayari sa kitchen. Luto na. Nakakagutom tuloy, oh. Lalaway ako sa niluluto. Uy. Ano yung nakakatulog siya? Ba't parang may something sa kanya? Uy. Naku, wag mo putay mo. Ulong dyan sa niluluto mo. Oh, parang ay. Totoo yun?
Unfortunately, I cannot show you when this man puts his head in the boiling
Saan
oil.
na-possess?
But according to what can be seen in the video, the subject leaves his head there until he dies. Many who have seen this recording claim that the man was being possessed
Oh.
and that a demon forced him to perform such an
Ay,
action.
shit.
Videos of this type raise the question of whether we too have been victims of such events in the past without us remembering them.
Creepy yan.
Possessions that, like puppets, suppress our will before an
Oh.
entity of paranormal origin. If you think you have lived an experience like
Grabe. Kumukulo yung mantika.
this, let me know about it in the comment box, because this video has
Tindi, oh.
come to an
Kala ko
end.
magiging zombie na eh.
My name is Leonor Clay, and this was
Grabe, nakakatakot pala yung mga video ni Darkest Secret. So ayan, thank you sa inyong panonood guys and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.